everyone, today me and my dad and brother are going to draw some corn. Let's start. First, draw a line like this. Then draw a curve like this. Then from here, draw a line like that. And now, from here, draw a line like this. And then draw a line like this. Now, in here, draw a line like this and another one on top. And keep on adding. Okay. Next, from here, draw a line like this. And now, from here, draw another line like that.